Hi dear students, today we are moving to the next session, that is session 3, work with the slides. Last class we have studied the different parts of the Impress window, and this class we are going to learn how we can work with the slides, such as adding new slides, copying or deleting slides, duplicating slides, then removing the contents of the slides and the different views of the presentation. Let us see in detail. Inserting duplicate slide. For that, we need to open the presentation. One slide created. Duplicating slide. Here right click. Duplicate, one option is there, duplicate slide. Click that, slide will be duplicated. Then the next one, inserting new slide. Again here another option is there, new slide. Then it will add another slide. Adding slide layout. For that we need to choose the layout. Here either we can choose the layout from here, properties, layouts, we can choose different layouts if you want blank like that, or depends on the slide that we created, we can add layouts. Then the next one, copying and moving slides. Copying, which is similar to that of duplicating slide. Anyway, we can copy blank slide, we can create here, and I am just inserting one shapes. Here inserting one shapes, okay, to identify the slide that we need to copy. Then here this slide I am going to copy, right click, copy. So where I need to click on paste, then it will be pasted here. If you want in between, click there and paste it. Then moving, if you want to move this slide, just drag it down, it will be moved. Deleting and renaming slides. Deleting slides, right click, and here delete slide option is there. Click on that, that slide will be deleted. And here the name of this slide is slide 1, and here slide 2, here slide 3. If you want to rename this, right click, rename option is there. Semi, given the name as semi, okay, then this slide name will be semi. Next we are going to learn copying, moving and deleting slide contents. For that I am going to create or add new slide, and I am going to select one slide layout, then going to type some text also. Make sure that your slide is in the normal view. We will study about the different views later. Here different views are there that we'll study later. We are going to copy the contents of the slide. For that, right click and click on copy. Then we need to select the slide which one need to copy the contents. Then select it and paste it. I am selecting the first slide, then right click on it, click on the paste button. I will repeat once again steps to copy the contents of a slide. For that, select the contents of the slide and afterwards select the slide which is need to be copied. Then right click and paste it. Next, different views that we are used in the presentation. See, these are the views given: normal, outline, notes and slide sort of views. And by default it will be in the normal view, and this is the normal view. So here we can make changes and edit the different slides. So describing this, I have typed one sentence here: computer languages, set of instructions given to a computer is called a program. So normal view, I have typed this one. And here if I click on the outline view, so how it will be, the slide contents, that outline it will be displayed here. Okay, and here and this one and this. So outline view contains all the slides of the presentation in their numbered sequence. According to the number it is given here. It shows the topic titles, bulleted list and numbered list for each slide in the outline format. So this is the outline format and this is the slide and these are the numbers. According to the slides that we created, numbers are arranged. And the next one is the notes view. Notes view, here we can add notes regarding each one. Suppose I have taken this slide and based on this slide, if any additional notes I can add here, and while presenting the presentation, so this is the information for the presenter, additional information for the presenter, because this will not be displayed on the presentation. And here we can type some notes about computer languages. I'm just typing here. Okay, this is the notes view. This is the slide information, and about that some notes we can write and keep it here. Okay, each slide we can add the notes. Then this is the slide sort of view. See, each slides according to that we created, it will be there. And if we want to move in between here the slide number, that also we can arrange. The order we can change in the slide sort of view. Here 4 arrows are there. These are different options of the paragraph, and this is called demote, and this is promote and move down and move up. We can let us see how this will work. So first slide, here I am selected the first slide and this is the content, and keep the cursor here, and afterwards if I click on move down, that sentence will be, see, that one will be moved down, that is the second slide. Okay, and here if I click the promote, left arrow, promote, then the size will be increased, and if I click on the right one, see, the size will be decreased, and if we take the move up, automatically it moves to the first slide. Okay, so these are the use of these 4 arrows, that is demote, promote, move down and move up. Did you understand the different types of working with the slides? That's all about today's class. We'll see you in the next class. Thank you.